Education Ministry has confirmed that school attendance is still down in some regions, even though all schools resumed operations on January 14.
Education Minister Senator Dana Morris Dixon gave an update in the Senate earlier today. Details from Andrea Chisholm.
Where are the children? The question many school administrators are trying to answer as they seek to get children back in school in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. For Region 2, Portland, St. Thomas and St. Mary, attendance is at 80%. Region 3, St. Anne and Trelawney, 82%. And Region 4, Hanover, St. James and Westmoreland, 72%.
Now, those numbers are not where we want it to be. But guess what? We have the numbers. And that's important because it means that we're tracking it. If we don't measure it, we're not really doing anything towards it. And so each week, we're tracking these numbers, ensuring that they're going up, working with our guidance counselors as they go out into the communities.
Schools, she said, have also been receiving furniture and other items. So far, about 125 schools have received furniture. The ministry has bought over 9,500 pieces.
The team at the ministry has been deploying resources to the schools who need it most. Working with our partners at UNICEF, 92 heavy-duty classroom-sized tents were donated to schools in the West. UNICEF will also be distributing around 300 learning kits in short order.
Reconstruction activities have begun at 56 schools. Contractors are set to begin working on another 98. In the meantime, some private early childhood as well as independent schools will also get money to help with cleanup activities.
Cleanup grants will be provided to these institutions based on the severity of impact, and of course we can work through with them if we may need to give more. We will be going from 80,000 to 120,000 per institution to help them with cleanup, and based on preliminary assessments we are expected to disburse approximately 31 million in grants in the first tranche, and additional funding can be made available to early childhood institutions should the need expand.
But physical infrastructure is not all.
I would like to hear from the Minister what special initiatives are being made to ensure that teachers' well-being is attended to in the post-Melissa recovery period.
In total, the total I have is 2,086 psychosocial sessions have been facilitated across the system. And we've reached 167 regional staff members, over 4,000 teachers, and over 50,000 students have been reached in these sessions.
Over 9,700 parents have also participated in the psychosocial support sessions with the psychiatrists, psychologists, and guidance counselors. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.